see inside there.
Maybe because when you put your hand in there, you start screaming.
Well,
Dad. What's the matter?
you're missing something.
Look, Grayson stuck his hand in there and he pulled it out and started screaming. Hand.
I miss when I put my hand in. You want to touch it? I thought you'd want to touch it.
You're a boy. You're supposed to like gross stuff. Daddy got the eggs.
That looks good.
It's my craft.
Good skills there. Good skills. Show Grandma.
Gotta say one thing though, Grayson, you sure make a mess. There's no other way to do it. Okay, tomorrow.
Now see if it scares Tristan.
Tomorrow, you can make the pie.
Tristan, come here. Tristan.
Here he comes. Look at this.
Here, hold on. Look at this. Look at what Daddy got. Look.
Ooh, look at what Daddy's got.
Don't make those noises. He's already scared of it.
Put your hand in his mouth. Put your hand in his mouth.
Look at this.
Look,
Now.
look.
Oh, you got my finger. Oh, you got my finger.
You put your hand. Look.
Put your finger in there. Put your finger in there.